Starting a home workout routine can be an effective way to improve your fitness without needing to go to a gym. Here's a simple guide to help beginners get started. 1. Warm up. Warming up is essential to prepare your body for exercise and prevent injuries. A good warm-up should last about 5-10 minutes and include light cardio and dynamic stretching. Examples: jumping jacks, 2 minutes, arm circles, 1 minute, leg swings, 1 minute per leg, high knees, 2 minutes. 2. Body weight exercises. Body weight exercises are ideal for beginners because they don't require any equipment and can be done anywhere. Upper body, push-ups. Start with knee push-ups if regular push-ups are too challenging. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Plank shoulder taps. Hold a plank position and tap each shoulder with the opposite hand. 3 sets of 10-12 reps per side. Tricep dips. Use a sturdy chair or bench. 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Lower body. Squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and lower your body as if sitting back into a chair. 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. 3 sets of 10-12 reps per leg. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent and lift your hips towards the ceiling. 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Core. Plank. Hold the plank position for 30-60 seconds, 3 sets. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and pedal your legs while touching your opposite elbow to your knee. 3 sets of 15-20 reps per side. Leg raises. Lie flat on your back and lift your legs to a 90-degree angle. Lower them back down slowly. 3 sets of 10-12 reps. 3. Cool down. Cooling down helps reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Spend 5-10 minutes stretching the major muscle groups you worked. Examples: hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with legs extended, reach for your toes. Quad stretch. Stand on one leg, pull the other heel towards your buttocks. Chest stretch. Extend your arms behind you and clasp your hands together. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. 4. Sample weekly routine. To get started, you can follow this simple routine. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, strength training. Warm-up, push-ups, squats, plank shoulder taps, lunges, plank, cool down. Tuesday, Thursday, cardio and core. Warm-up, jumping jacks, high knees. Bicycle crunches, leg raises, cool down. 5. Tips for success. Start slowly. Don't overdo it in the beginning. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Try to stick to your workout schedule as closely as possible. Listen to your body. If you feel pain other than the usual muscle soreness, stop and rest. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Rest. Ensure you have at least 1 or 2 rest days per week to allow your muscles to recover. 6. Progress tracking. Keeping track of your workouts can help you stay motivated and see your progress over time. You can use a fitness app, journal, or calendar to log your workouts. 7. Modifications and equipment. As you progress, you might want to incorporate simple equipment like resistance bands, dumbbells, or a stability ball to add variety and challenge to your workouts. Conclusion: starting a home workout routine as a beginner doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on mastering basic bodyweight exercises, stay consistent, and gradually increase the intensity. Remember to warm up before and cool down after your workouts to prevent injury and promote recovery.